अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में हम 8603 B.ed फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर क्विज़ क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। लास्ट टाइम इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आए थे और ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होगी जब आप क्विज़ कर रहे होंगे, क्योंकि क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो मोस्टली रिपीट ही हो रहे हैं। तो आपने इस वीडियो को फुल वॉच करना है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द यूनाइटेड किंगडम हैज़ इंट्रोड्यूस अ नेशनल करिकुलम इन। करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी 1989। Next question, what does Cure stand for? Correct option B, runway. The horizontal relationship reiteration of major curriculum element is. Correct option D, integrity. An evaluation regarding content validity during the curriculum development process is called. Correct option C, formative. Mucales Mint, which he wrote in. Correct option A, 1835. The word curriculum is derived from. Correct option D, Latin. Development of curriculum at higher level and its applications at different level is. Correct option C, centralized. Evaluation when we conclude in some recommendation for future planner to consider or avoid. Correct option B, summative. Who is responsible for curriculum planning and development in Pakistan? Correct option B, curriculum wing. Who was torchbearer of intrinsic value? Correct option Dewey. 1970 educational policy was presented in the era of dash. Correct option C, Journal Jaya. Which category of philosophy deals with the nature of values? Correct option D, exology. What sort of enterprises is called culture? Correct option B, value loaded. In Japan, elementary education children attend elementary schools, which is compulsory for all and lasts for dash years. Correct option B, 6. Who developed the taxonomy dealing with psychomotor activity? Correct option A, Anita Harrow. What is the base of social curriculum? Correct option A, social needs and aspiration. Which is the highest level of affective domain? Correct option B, characterization of value complex. The vertical relationship reiteration of major curriculum element is. Correct option C, continuity. The criteria of interest based on. Correct option B, pupil interest. The domain dealing with thinking, knowing, and problem solving. Correct option cognitive domain. In China, education being with preschool education for children over dash years. Correct option A, 3. The arrangement of the elements of curriculum is. Correct option A, curriculum design. Vocational subjects include. Correct option A, gardening, tailoring, hair cutting. Islamic and Pak studies were made compulsory under the dash educational policy. Correct option A, 1978. Type of educational objectives in curriculum are. Correct option D, all these. Which value make a person good for himself? Correct option D, personal. The lowest level of cognitive domain is. Correct option A, knowledge. First education conference was held in Pakistan was. Correct option A, 1947. who are affected badly by fixed and rigid curriculum. Correct option C, slow learners. I hope this video is informative for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.